Okay guys, some of you guys want to know what this thing cuts like. This DeWalt 16-inch chainsaw, 60 volt. Unfortunately, I just touched the bar. When I say the bar off my woods cart there, cutting through a log. Not very smart of me, but anyway, this is what it sounds like. This thing here is some kind of spruce. I don't know, it's a white spruce, I guess. So we'll see what it cuts like now after that bar, and I'll cut this little bit old snotty bar too. So here's what it's like here on the end. It's gonna be a little smaller where I'm cutting it. Anyway, that's what you're looking at. And I don't know, it's a bit over. There you go. If you don't have your finger on the trigger, you're not using any juice. So the $500 saw though comes with the battery, and 2 more batteries like that is going to cost me another $400. Then I'd have 3. So that's what it cuts like. I live in Portugal Cove. Anyone's considering buying one of those and wants to check it out, give me a call, and you can come down. You can try this one out. No problem.